Hi guys, you're welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to access developer options in your Amazon Fire TV. All you need to do is to come to your settings. From your settings, you should come to my Fire TV. From my Fire TV, you come to about developer options. You should have that option there. But if you do not have developer option, all you guys need to do is to come to about, select on this Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K for around 7 times. So you press it 7 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So if you are not yet a developer, it will generally, say something like no need, you are already a developer. And as soon as you are done with that, you should come here and then you will find developer options there. So thank you so much, and we'll see you in the next one. Please do like and subscribe to our channel if you found value in it.